tubers. Looks like it's gonna move. Oh, hell yeah. We'll let it run for a while in neutral to cycle the fluid. Smoked a bit because, you know, the greasy fingers on the exhaust pipe, you know, and yeah. You hear it almost died when I put it in first gear. Maybe it's just cold-blooded. I don't know. I didn't cut that part. Check the oil, and then we'll take this thing out for a spin. I need some coffee. Probably run out of freaking gas. No, my luck. How come it's like that? That's one thing I'd like to know. When people bring things to me to fix, it's always out of gas. Why the heck is that so? Yeah. Squeaky hood. We don't like squeakies. So we take it for a little spin, huh? See if it dries decent. Lock the old shop up. Oh yeah. See exactly how much gas we got. Maybe we got enough to go up to the old Casey's joint. Oh yeah, this truck ain't got no tags on it, but well, how much gas? Oh yeah, she's about out. Yeah. What the hell kind of a ashtray is that? Jesus criminy. Isn't there like a cup holder? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, doggy, we got a cup holder. Look at that there, monkey rigged ashtray. It's a sardine can. Shoot. Somebody's awful creative. Probably the same guy that put the brake fluid in the transmission. Oh yeah, nice. And then the cops drive by just as I'm bringing the truck out. Nice. Oh yeah, look over here, coppers. Yeah. She got a little get up and go there. Yeah, hold on here. here while I close the old shop door. Okie dokie, folks, let's go for a drive here. great. The speedo ain't working. Nice. Must got the servo in there. Nice, backwards. Yay. Guess we'll have to pull that back out and fix that. Oh yeah, we got the speedo working. We just had the little doohickey thingamajigger in backwards. Yeah, had to readjust that. Once that's done, oh yeah, speedo's working. Yep, so now we're gonna throw that little junk transmission and transfer case in this truck. And yeah. And it'll be done. Well, I gotta get one 3-inch muffler clamp because I broke a muffler clamp off on it and fix that tomorrow, and then it's done and out of here. Oh yeah. Yep. Back around the garage and check the training fluid again, and yep. And we cheeched.